In Kenya, Batuk want the perpetrators brought to book. They continue to decry the delayed justice that has led to long years of them lobbying and several setbacks. What they are demanding for is the government expedite the investigation. Sheila Chelangat reports.
For decades, residents of Nanyuki and its environs have had long lists of grievances against soldiers of the British Army Training Unit in Kenya, Batuk, that has culminated into public hearings investigating their activities.
It's an issue of Batuk.
The murder of 21-year-old Agnes Wanjiru has remained the highest profile case allegedly done by a Batuk soldier X. Her niece today decried the delaying of justice. More than a decade, her aunt's murderer still remains unnamed.
It's the same pattern. They're saying we respond on this, we respond, but they're just giving out promises that we'll respond on this date, but nothing is coming out. Mbona sisi ati kwa sababu napewa the legal aid fund, so siwezi enda. So this is a symbiosis thing that they helping me kwa hii mkono na hingine ananinyanyasa kozio ni kuninyanyasa.
In July 2021, the Kenya-UK Defence Treaty was renewed but got ratified in April this year due to a wave of objections from communities. This activist today calling for complete investigations to allegations made before signing of other new deals.
There isn't any way to hold them accountable. The best you can do is report to the police station at Nanyuki. And after reporting at the police station, then it is entered on the occurrence book and nothing more. I mean, the soldiers cannot go to Nyati barracks and start calling out an identification parade.
They have also called out the DCI that despite their trip to the UK for due diligence into the investigation, a report of their findings has never been posted.
We filed a petition in court last year. Now we are in September. It is 1 year down the line. We asked the DCI to give us the reports. We were not given.
Why is it that ODPP is not progressively developing systems that will facilitate swift law enforcement?
Let us persuade the British to contribute to the Victim Protection Fund so that also we don't re-victimize victims.
Lawmakers will collate evidence, then engage with the British government on possible redress mechanisms through diplomatic channels. Sheila Chelangat for TV 47.